Sikshayati, platform for eminent authors engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email.
Quartile deviation. The quartile deviation is half of the difference between the upper and lower quartiles. The upper quartiles is Q3 and the lower quartile is Q1. So quartile deviation is half, that is Q3 minus Q1 by 2. Interquartile range. It indicates the difference between two quartiles and its half indicates semi-interquartile range. Semi stands for half. Since 50% of the observation lie between two quartiles, as such interquartile range gives a fair measure of variability. Interquartile range also does not depend on all observations and it is affected by fluctuations. Coefficient of quartile deviation. Quartile deviation is an absolute measure of dispersion. If it is divided by average value of two quartiles, we will find coefficient of quartile deviation, a relative measure of dispersion. Coefficient of quartile deviation is equal to Q3 minus Q1 by 2 divided by Q3 plus Q1 by 2 is equal to Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1. Merits and demerits of quartile deviation. Merits. Quartile deviation is superior to range as measures of dispersion. In case of open-end distribution, it can be computed. It is not affected by presence of extreme values. Demerits. Quartile deviation is neither based on all the observations nor it is capable of further algebraic treatment. Its value is much affected by sampling fluctuations. It is not a measure of dispersion, particularly for series having considerable variation. Example. Find the quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation of observation of marks. This 10, 11, 13, 16, 18, 20, 26, 27, 29, 31, 32, all arranged in order. Here n is 11, the number of observations, and the values are arranged in order. So Q1, the size of first quartile, the size of n plus 1 by fourth term is equal to size of 11 plus 1 by fourth term or third term is equal to 13 marks. Q3, size of 3 into n plus 1 by fourth term, that is size of 3 into 10 plus 1 by 4th or 9th term is equal to 29 marks. So quartile deviation is equal to 29 minus 13 by 2, that is 16 by 2 is equal to 8 marks. So coefficient of quartile deviation is 29 minus 13 by 29 plus 13 is equal to 16 by 42 is equal to 0.3809.
Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.